In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Gmail account. If you've ever wanted a quick way to message coworkers, classmates, or friends without leaving your inbox, this will walk you through exactly how to use chat inside Gmail. Start by opening your Gmail. On the left-hand vertical sidebar, look for the chat section. It may sit just beneath your inbox labels and other folders. Click Chat to open the chat view inside Gmail. This brings up your chat hub, where conversations live and where you can easily move between people and groups. If you're brand new to this, you might not see any conversations yet, and that's totally fine. To start a conversation, go to the top left and click New Chat. This opens your options for getting connected. From here, you can create a space, which works like a group chat. A space is perfect for ongoing discussions with a team or a club, because everyone added can see messages in one place and keep the conversation organized. You'll also see an option to browse spaces. That lets you discover or join existing spaces that are available to you. If your organization uses apps within chat, you can find apps here as well, which can help with tasks like scheduling or pulling updates from other tools. And if someone has reached out to you but isn't already in your chats, you might see message requests. These keep messages from new contacts neatly separated until you choose to accept or ignore them. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a direct messages section. These are your one-on-one conversations, typically with people connected to their Google accounts. If you've emailed someone before, it's often easy to find them here and continue the conversation in real time without switching apps. Right below that, you'll see the Spaces section, which lists all the spaces you're part of, making it simple to jump into group discussions. There's also an Apps section. This is where any chat-based apps you use will appear, giving you quick access to tools that integrate right into your conversations. Once you're in a chat or space, you can type your message and send it just like you would in any messaging app. The benefit of using chat in Gmail is that everything is in one place, so you can keep your email and messaging organized side by side. That's all you need to get started. Open Gmail, click Chat, use New Chat to start a direct message or create a space, and navigate the left sidebar to find your conversations, spaces, and apps. Simple, quick, and built right into the Gmail you already use.